In this video, you will learn how to detect and clean outliers in Neural Designer. Outliers are samples that lie far away from the rest of the data. They may reflect unusual but valid behavior, measurement noise, or even errors during data collection. Let's start with the blood donation example. We open Neural Designer and, from the menu on the left side of the screen, click on the Examples button. All the available examples are displayed, and we select the blood donation example. To use this tool, go to the Dataset section and click Clean Outliers in the Task Manager. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to configure the cleaning parameter, the IQR multiplier. For example, you can keep the default value of 3.0 or adjust it depending on how strict you want the detection to be. This parameter controls the sensitivity of Tukey's method, which is the statistical rule used here to detect anomalies based on the first and third quartiles of the data. A small parameter makes the method more sensitive, flagging more values, while a large parameter makes it less sensitive, targeting only the most extreme data points. How to handle the detected outliers. Remove them by setting those samples to excluded or replace them with none, letting you later impute or process them differently. Properly treating these values is essential because left untreated, they can distort the mean and standard deviation of variables, inflate training errors, and lead the model to learn incorrect relationship. Once you have selected your options, click OK. Neural Designer will then analyze each variable using Tukey's method and report which samples have been detected as outliers. After running the task, Neural Designer provides a summary of the detected outliers for each variable. With the cleaning parameter of 3, the software reports recency, 2 outliers, frequency, 13 outliers, time, 0 outliers, and donation, 0 outliers. This indicates that most extreme values are concentrated in the frequency variable, while time and the target variable donation show no abnormal values. In total, the maximum number of samples set to none is 15, which represents 2.01% of the entire dataset. This is a relatively small proportion, suggesting that the dataset is generally clean, with only a few extreme observations. These samples are considered unusually distant from the rest of the data and may distort model training or slow down optimization if left untreated. By identifying and handling them, Neural Designer helps ensure that the model is trained on more consistent and reliable data, increasing its accuracy on unseen data. What you do with outliers depends on your application. Remove them if they clearly result from errors, data entry mistakes, or temporary system faults. Keep them if they represent genuinely rare events that occur only under special conditions, such as real-world anomalies or extreme operating conditions. Domain knowledge is key. The software detects outliers. Let you decide whether to exclude or retain them. You now know how to detect and clean outliers in Neural Designer, how to configure the cleaning parameter, and how to decide whether to remove or keep extreme values. Cleaning outliers helps ensure that your model is trained on consistent, reliable data. In the next video, we will explore data filtering, another powerful technique for removing inconsistent or unrealistic observations before training.